Here's the Condor Primal design, fresh off the shelf. It arrived today actually. This is the first review where I haven't done any substantial cutting with the blade in front of the camera. I thought it would be kind of fun. I'm hoping I'm not the only one who thinks that this is a nice looking design with an interesting take on a chef's blade or a cleaver style. With Micarta, so it gives it a more outdoor appearance and probably durability than wood. But yet it's only 4 inches. I'm going to try to get some more detailed measurements later, but the knife has been with me for 10 minutes and here I am outside trying to slice down some veggies to see how it feels. I can quickly tell you that the handle is a win. It's very compact. I'm large size hands, and I begin to run out of room if I didn't have this nice jimping, which is kind of a little bit on the rough side. I would actually prefer that jimping not to be there, but the shape is very nice. It's very nice. It's got some resemblance to the traditional canned onion style of a handle, a very sloping down curvature at the end here. It's comfy, yet a little bit skinny, so I'm not expecting to do any heavy major cutting with this. With the size, I think we should be fine with that compactness and the limitations that brings. Let's see how it does. Let's see how it does on some veggies. Your traditional overripe tomato. Cut well there. Very little effort. It's very sharp. Good job, Condor. Good job on bringing a sharp knife out of the box that doesn't have its candy grinds. I'm really happy to see that. Yes, I know I've criticized your edges out of the box in some of my videos, so I'm glad to see this. It seems to be specific to the knife. It's not fair to say that Condor knives don't arrive sharp, because many of them do, but some just have very thick shoulders, like the Huron, the large Huron, and the Iron Path. Let's try some onions now. Good feeling hands. I wonder why we have a lanyard here. It's pretty, matches the blade, but it serves no purpose on a food preparation knife, in my opinion. I will likely remove that. Too early for me to know how I'm going to use the blade, whether as an outdoor cooking knife, which is a very niche role, if you ask me. You're better suited with less knives. I don't know if you want to have a dedicated kitchen blade only for kitchen duties, on top of your fixed blades and your folders and your saws and all of that, all of those cutting implements, the tools that you already have. So I gotta give this this design and the purpose a little bit more thought. For the intended purpose though, food prep, camp style, fixed blade, it's doing a very good job. Let's try the lime now. May struggle a little bit more on the lime. There's more resistance. This appears to be flat. This appears to be flat, and then saber. Once it reaches the saber point, there I sense a lot more resistance. It is very sharp though. It cuts well. How is it in hand? Very comfy. Very comfy. You can try different hand positions. Comfy yet slim. Interesting handle. Nifty little blade. I can't be the first person who thought that this was a cool design after Knife Center presented their blade show coverage in 2021. They had these on the cover page of that video, which they're doing a great job, Mr. Anderson, by the way. I was hooked on the design. I felt that I had to try it, so here it is. We're gonna move on to wood really soon. Next test is to cut some wood, as we like to do on the channel. Let's see how it does. I have some concerns about the slimness of the handle, not so much the blade shape. Jimping is already too sharp for my taste after 2 cuts. It is sharp, so it's gonna give you some nice curls. Jimping is too sharp for a hand without gloves. More than sharp, I think they are too deep too deep. There's too much difference in height from where the tank begins to where the hole is. It's just a little bit too, it feels too sharp. Yeah, already the handle is a little bit skinny for my taste. I have large yet slender hands. Yeah, I need to bypass that jimping, it's too harsh on my finger. Now this feels really right at home right now, this grip. Interesting. Now it's really comfortable. Now it's really comfortable. Now I can extend all my fingers, all my hands. I feel very comfy doing this. Yes. Comfortable. Let's go for power now. Do some power cuts. Very sharp out of the box. Great job, Condor. Really happy to see that. There you have it. It's good on wood as well.